Hi DIYers, I'm Marina from the DIY team, and today we're going to be drawing an animal with big eyes and goes ribbit. Any guesses what that might be? That's right, it's a frog. Let's draw one together. All right, let's draw a frog. So we're going to start with a dot in the middle of the page again for reference, so we know where we are all the time. Now, to start my frog, I'm actually going to start with the head. It's actually probably better if we do it in pencil first. I could do it in pen, but let's show you how to do it in pencil. We're going to draw an oval shape, just like that. Now you'll see why you needed a pencil to do that, because the line we actually need to do looks a little more like this. So you're following your pencil shape, but see how I've stopped like that on either side. Leave a gap and then just go like that. That's the shape we need. Then we're going to draw two semicircles either side of the head, just like so. In those semicircles, we're going to draw two big circles for our frog's eyes. And now to do our frog's mouth, we're going to go to the two corners, or edges if you like, of our oval shape. I'm going to bring a line down and round, gentle curve just like that, and then we're going to do a gentle curve up, go to the dot we made at the beginning and connect the line back down just like that. That's to make our frog's mouth. Now let's move on to the frog's body. We're going to start with his tummy. We're going to draw a circle shape, just like that, below his mouth. Now we're going to follow our line that we did, but slightly to the left, just like that. We're going to do the same on the right hand side, like that. It might look a bit weird for now, but you just have to keep going and you'll see where this will end up. Now, at the end of both of those lines, we're going to draw our webbed feet. Now, if you find this difficult, you can make it more simple and do simple circular shapes. But I'm going to draw feet like this. Again, this might need a little bit of practice. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. So it's a long straight line with a circle on the end and bring it back down. But don't connect that circle. Just before you connect it, you bring it down. See? Up, circle, don't connect and bring it back down. Like that. See how his feet are? Now we're going to draw the back legs. Go to about the middle of his stomach on the right side, and we're going to go up and down like this. Do the same on the other side. Up and down like that. And again, we're going to draw some webbed feet. I'm going to do three little bits, little toes if you like, and we're going to draw longer lines with circles on the end. Just like that. And if you need to pause the video, feel free, and you can come back to it later when you're ready. And there you go. You have your frog. Now let's colour our frog in. I'm going to do my frog green because those are the they're the colours that I see in my garden. There we go. Oh, there we have our frog. And two little details that I actually forgot are his nostrils. Don't forget to add that so he can breathe. And there we go. There we've got our frog. What type of frog did you draw? They come in loads of different colours. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos. You can also head to DIY.org to access fun, creative tools, watch courses on loads of different subjects, and share your creations online with other like-minded kids. Thanks for watching. See you next time.